Today we are going to learn about optimizing code assistance with file history insights. We will explore how to use file histories to enhance code assistant efficiency, refine model context protocols, and ultimately improve code suggestions in development environments.
Welcome to our video on optimizing code assistance with file history insights. In today's session, we will delve into how leveraging the history of files can significantly boost the efficiency of code assistance. This approach is not only crucial for improving the accuracy of code suggestions but also for minimizing errors in various development environments. By the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp of how to harness file histories to refine model context protocols and code assistance, ultimately enhancing your workflow and productivity. To begin our journey, let's first understand what model context protocols are. Model context protocols define how a code assistant interprets and processes the context of the code being written. These protocols are vital because they influence the accuracy and relevance of the code suggestions provided by the assistant. In essence, model context protocols serve as the brain of the code assistant, helping it understand the structure, nuances, and needs of the codebase within a development environment. By effectively integrating model context protocols, developers can ensure that their code assistants provide more precise and contextually aware suggestions, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving overall code quality. For instance, a well-designed context protocol can recognize patterns in how functions are typically called or how variables are used within a particular project, thereby offering smarter and more accurate completions.
File histories play a crucial role in the operation of code assistance by providing a rich source of contextual information. They contain records of all the changes made to a codebase over time, which can be invaluable for understanding the evolution and current state of the code. By analyzing file histories, code assistants can gain deeper insights into how a particular piece of code has changed, and predict future changes more accurately. This process enhances the context awareness of the assistant, which is fundamental for delivering precise code suggestions. Furthermore, file histories can help in identifying common errors or patterns in the code that may not be immediately apparent, allowing developers to proactively address potential issues. By incorporating file histories into model context protocols, code assistants can significantly improve their suggestion accuracy, thereby reducing development errors and streamlining the coding process. Analyzing historical changes in a codebase is a powerful method to enhance the contextual understanding of code assistance. Several tools and techniques can be utilized to dissect file histories effectively. These include version control systems like Git, which track changes and provide insights into the development process. By leveraging such tools, developers can identify trends and patterns in code modifications, understand the reasons behind specific changes, and predict future code requirements. This analysis directly impacts the precision of model context protocols, enabling code assistants to produce more accurate suggestions. For example, if historical analysis reveals that a particular function is frequently modified to accommodate new parameters, the code assistant can suggest similar modifications in future coding sessions. This proactive approach not only improves coding efficiency but also enhances the overall quality of the software being developed. Integrating file history data into code models can be a game changer in optimizing code assistance. This integration involves several steps, starting with the extraction of relevant data from file histories, followed by its integration into the existing code model structures. One of the primary challenges in this process is ensuring that the historical data is relevant and accurately reflects the current state of the codebase. However, when done successfully, the benefits are substantial. Historical data can provide valuable insights into the evolution of the code, allowing the model to make more informed and accurate predictions. This, in turn, improves the overall accuracy of the code assistant, leading to better code suggestions and fewer errors. Real-world examples of this integration include projects where historical bug fixes are used to train models to recognize and suggest solutions for similar issues in the future, thereby enhancing the problem-solving capabilities of code assistants. Let's explore a case study where file history insights significantly improve the efficiency of a code assistant. Initially, the development team faced challenges with inaccurate code suggestions that led to frequent errors and inefficiencies. To address this, they decided to incorporate file history data into their model context protocols. This involved analyzing historical changes and identifying patterns that could inform future code predictions. Once integrated, the results were remarkable. The code assistant began to provide more accurate suggestions, reducing the error rate by 30% and increasing development speed by 20%. This case study highlights the potential of file history insights to transform the functionality of code assistance, offering valuable lessons for similar implementations in other projects.
Despite the benefits, managing and analyzing file histories presents several challenges. One of the primary issues is the sheer volume of data, which can be overwhelming and difficult to sift through. Ensuring the relevance of the historical data to the current code state is another challenge, as outdated information can lead to inaccurate predictions. Additionally, the technical complexities involved in extracting, processing, and analyzing this data can be daunting. To overcome these hurdles, developers can employ strategies such as automated data filtering, which helps to focus on the most relevant changes, and leveraging machine learning algorithms to assist in the analysis process. By addressing these challenges, teams can more effectively harness the power of file history insights to enhance their code assistance. Maintaining relevant file histories is essential for optimizing code assistant performance. Establishing best practices can help ensure that historical data remains useful and accurate. One of the key practices is to utilize robust version control systems, such as Git, which facilitate easy tracking and management of changes. Regular updates and reviews of the file history are crucial to ensure that the information remains current and reflects the latest developments in the codebase. Additionally, comprehensive documentation and training can assist developers in understanding how to effectively utilize file histories. By adhering to these best practices, teams can maximize the benefits of historical data and enhance the efficiency of their code assistance. The future of context-aware code assistance looks promising, with several emerging trends set to transform the field. Advances in AI and machine learning are at the forefront, providing new opportunities for enhancing the context awareness of code assistance. These technologies enable the development of more sophisticated models that can understand and predict code needs with greater accuracy. Furthermore, the integration of code assistance with modern development tools and platforms is likely to become more seamless, providing developers with a more cohesive and efficient workflow. As we look ahead, predictions suggest that code assistance will become even more intuitive, capable of learning and adapting to the unique needs of each developer. These advancements hold the potential to revolutionize the way we approach coding, making development faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors. In conclusion, leveraging file histories for optimizing code assistance offers a multitude of benefits, from improving suggestion accuracy to reducing development errors. By understanding and implementing model context protocols that incorporate historical data, developers can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of their code assistance. As we have explored, the challenges of managing and analyzing file histories can be overcome with the right strategies and tools. Looking to the future, the integration of advanced technologies promises to further elevate the capabilities of code assistance, paving the way for even more innovative and efficient coding practices. We encourage you to explore these strategies and embrace the potential of file history insights in your development processes.